So let's continue working with our project. We're going to open this filter alcohol, and this is going to be the template that we are going to work in this video. Is this one, alcohol or non-alcohol. In this case, if you scroll a little, you can see that we have search alcohol as the class. The ID is going to be the same, so using this ID, basically we are using the same functionality in all the different forms that we have in this project. You can see that we only have two options, so that's why I added these options in here on the HTML. And there is no reason to use something like the REST API because always is going to be alcohol or non-alcohol. So basically this is going to be like the days of the week. And when you have an application, you don't have to save the days of the week in a database because the days of the week are going to be always the same. So I'm going to add this like this. So then we have this input hidden, and you can see this is checking for alcohol. So we can open this app.js, and here on the switch, we can add a new case. So this is going to be alcohol, and the server response is going to be equals to cocktail, and we're going to call this one get drinks by alcohol. And this is going to pass the search term. Then we're going to break this, and I think we didn't break this, so we're going to break this also. So we need to write this method, and let's open the cocktail API, and right here I'm going to add a comment. Get alcohol or non-alcohol drinks. And this is going to be, let me add async, await, or asynchronous. And then I'm going to copy this and paste right here. It's going to be really similar. It's going to return the cocktails. It's going to have an API response. But right here, we're going to add a term. So if you open again the API, the methods, you can see that we have filter by alcoholic, and we have alcoholic or non-alcoholic. So we can use one of these. Any of these is going to work. Let me collapse this, and let me add the code right here. So paste this and remove this alcoholic. And let's replace this category with the term. And again, we can save this and open the project. This is going to be everything. So if you decide to search for non-alcoholic, you can get the cocktails. And this is going to return all the cocktails that doesn't have any alcohol. So you can see that the list is quite large. If you open alcoholic and get cocktails, this is going to be more because it's almost 300 different drinks in the alcoholic filter. So again, this is going to work just fine. You can see it's working as expected. And now we are filtering the different drinks by alcohol or non-alcohol. So in the next video, we're gonna see how we can add this into the local storage, how we can save this if you like one of these and you want to test this, for example, in 1 month or 2 months, or you want to save this, we're going to see how we can add this into the favorites. If you want to continue learning and improving this project, you can see that we have several different methods or endpoints that you can use. You can see that we didn't have this by class. We didn't have these ingredients. The ingredients have a small description of the ingredient and also other methods that you can use. So in the next video, we're going to continue learning. We're going to see how we can add this into the storage.